Good morning, students. Today we study second topic of surface area and volume. In previous class, we study surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. And exercise first, that is related to surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. Now today we study surface area and volume of cylinder. So first we study what is the means of cylinder, right circular cylinder, and what is right circular cylinder, types of cylinder. So first we see surface area and volume of cylinder. This is our today's topic. The objects which have lateral surface and cross section are called circular cylinder. Simply what is the cylinder? It means the objects which have lateral surface are called cylinder. This is the example of cylinder. These have lateral surface. The objects which have lateral surface are known as cylinder. Okay. Now circular cylinder. Circular cylinder, it means the objects which have lateral surface and cross section are called circular cylinder. This is the type of circular cylinder. These have two cross sections, O and O dash are cross sections. Then the line joining the center of cross section is called axis of cylinder. O dash is known as the axis of cylinder. Here base of cylinder and center of base is O dash and O. O and O dash are the center of bases because base of cylinder, this is the base of cylinder, this have shape is circular. So line joining the centers of cross section is called axis of cylinder. O dash is the center of base and O is also center of base. So O dash is the axis of cylinder. O dash is known as axis of cylinder because this line joining the center of cross section. Okay. Then if axis of cylinder is perpendicular to circular cross section, then cylinder is called right circular cylinder. If axis of cylinder, O dash is the axis of cylinder, is perpendicular to circular cross section, this is circular cross section and this perpendicular to this, O dash, this is known as axis, and this is perpendicular to circular cross section. ये circular cross section है, ये इसके ऊपर ये line perpendicular है. It means this cylinder is called right circular cylinder. This circular is called right circular cylinder. Here OA is equal to O dash B. OA is equal to O dash B is equal to radius of cylinder. OA is equal to O dash B. OA is the radius of base. It means radius of cylinder. Similarly, O dash B is also radius of cylinder. और रेडियस को अपन किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? R से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो OA is equal to O dash B is the radius of cylinder that is represented by R. AB ऐसे ही अपन क्या राइट कर सकते हैं, ओ डैश इज इक्वल टू ए बी, ओ डैश इज इक्वल टू ए बी इज इक्वल टू हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर, हाइट ऑफ cylinder that is represented by h, height of cylinder is represented by h. Radius of cylinder, a cylinder have two bases, suppose this is the example of cylinder, first base and second base, it means cylinder have two bases and shape of base is circular shape. Now we can easily write base area of cylinder is equal to pi r square. Because cylinder have circular base, so base area of cylinder is pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square. So base area of cylinder is pi r square. Then curved surface area of cylinder, it means CSA, is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. This is the curved surface area of cylinder, 2 pi RH. Then total surface area, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r multiply r plus h. 2 pi r multiply r plus h, this is also called TSA and this is CSA. इसे अपन शॉर्ट में क्या बोलेंगे, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया CSA, इसको अपन शॉर्ट में बोल सकते हैं TSA, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. देन वॉल्यूम of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. These are the formulas related to cylinder. This is also known as right circular cylinder. So base area of cylinder is pi r square, that is known as area of base is pi r square. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Now next figure is hollow cylinder. This is hollow cylinder. For hollow cylinder, OA is the inner radius. OA is the inner radius. Inner radius, it means suppose this is represented by R1 and O dash B, outer radius. Suppose this is represented by R2. So CSA, curved surface area of hollow cylinder, CSA of hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi R1 plus R2 into H. Because hollow cylinder have two radius R1 and R2, these are inner radius and outer radius. So CSA of hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi into R1 plus R2 into H. Then TSA of hollow cylinder. Here CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that is CSA of hollow cylinder is 2 pi R1 plus R2 into H. 2 pi R1 plus R2 into H. Then TSA of hollow cylinder 2 pi TSA of cylinder is 2 pi R into R plus H. Then TSA of hollow cylinder. TSA of hollow cylinder is 2 pi R1 plus R2 into R1 plus R2 minus H. CSA of hollow cylinder, CSA curved surface area, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and CSA of hollow cylinder is 2 pi R1 plus R2 into H. 2 pi R1 plus R2. TSA of hollow cylinder 2 pi into R1 plus R2 H plus multiply H plus R1 minus R2. H plus R1 minus R2. Here OA is R1 and OB is R2, where R1 is greater than R2. Then volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi R square H. So volume of hollow cylinder is pi into R1 square minus R2 square into H. Pi into R1 square minus R2 square into H. R1 is greater than R2. Pi into R1 square minus R2 square into H, where R1 is greater than R2. So these are the some formulas related to hollow cylinder. Okay. So surface area and volume of cylinder. For this we use base area of cylinder, that is pi R square. CSA of cylinder, it means curved surface area. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder TSA 2 pi R into R plus H, TSA of cylinder, and volume of cylinder is pi R square H. Now we start exercise 16.2. Exercise 16.2. First question, the diameter of a cylinder is 14 centimeter. Diameter of cylinder is 14 centimeter, height is 15 centimeter. Find the total surface area of cylinder and its volume. In this question, diameter of cylinder is 14 given. Diameter of cylinder is 14 centimeter. Here diameter of cylinder equal to 14 centimeter. So radius of cylinder R 7 centimeter, because radius is the half of diameter. And height of cylinder, height of cylinder is represented by H, is height of cylinder is 15 centimeter. Find the total surface area of cylinder and its volume. Because total surface area of cylinder, TSA of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r multiply r plus h is equal to 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 4, sorry, r is 7, 7 plus 15, 7 cancelled by 7, 22 to the 44, 44 multiply 15 plus 7 is 22, that is 968 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Put the values of r and h, and by simplification we get 968 centimeter square. And find its volume also, because volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7, r square r is 7 multiply 7 multiply h, h is 15. So 7 cancelled by 7, that is 22 into 15, 7 ja 105, that is 2310 centimeter square. 2310 centimeter, sorry, this is volume, so we write centimeter cube. We can also write cubic centimeter. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, pi 22 upon 7, r is 7 centimeter, 7 multiply 7 multiply h is 15, by simplification cancelled by 7, 22 multiply 105, that is 2310 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Question number 2 is same as question number first, you can easily solve. Then question number 3, find the curved surface area and volume of cylinder whose height is 21 centimeter and area of its one end is 154 centimeter. Question number 3 is height of cylinder. Here height of cylinder, it means h. Height of cylinder is how many? 21 centimeter. And area of one end, it means area of base. How many? Area of one end is 154 centimeter square. Area of one end is 154 centimeter square. देखिए एरिया ऑफ वन एंड, इट मीन्स सपोज दिस इज सिलेंडर, तो इसका जो ये एंड है इसका एरिया, इट मीन्स ये क्या होगा? बेस होगा. बेस इट मीन्स सर्कुलर शेप. सो एरिया ऑफ वन एंड, इट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ base, how many? Pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. that is r square is equal to 154 upon pi is equal to 154 upon 22 multiply 7. 22 अपॉन 7 राइट करेंगे तो जो अपॉन 7 आएगा वो ऊपर चला जाएगा, उसको अपन मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7. 22 7 जा, that is r square is equal to 49, that is r is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of cylinder how many? 7 centimeter. In this question here what is given? Area of one end of cylinder, it means base area. So area of base of cylinder is pi r square is equal to 154, r square is equal to 154 upon pi, value of pi is 22, 22 upon 7 it means multiply 7, 22 7 ja, r square is 49, so r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we want to find out CSA and volume. Okay, because CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7. R is 7 multiply h is 21, 7 cancelled by 7, that is 22 2 जा 44 multiply 21 is equal to 924 centimeter square, 924 centimeter square. This is the value of CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is 924 centimeter square. Now we want to find out volume. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is 22 upon 7 into r. R is 7 multiply 7, h is 21, h is 21, 7 cancelled by 7, 22 7 ja 154 multiply 21 is equal to 3234 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is 3234. In this question height of cylinder is given. Height of cylinder is 21 centimeter, area of one end, base area is 154 centimeter square. So first we find out radius of cylinder is 7 centimeter. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So CSA is 924 centimeter square. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, 22 upon 7, r is 7. So 7 multiply h, 21, 7 cancelled by 7, 22 7 ja 154 multiply 21, we get 3234 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. So by using this method we can easily solve this type of question. In this question area of one end is given. Area of one end of cylinder, it means that is base area, that is base area of cylinder, and we know that base area of cylinder is pi r square because base of cylinder have circular shape. Okay, now some student ask question number 16, sorry, question number 6. Question number 6 is find the volume of cylinder whose CSA is 660 centimeter square and height is 15 centimeter. कौन सी वैल्यू गिवन है हियर? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर विद CSA. CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is 660 centimeter square. फर्स्ट वैल्यू तो ये गिवन है एंड हाइट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. height of cylinder is 15 centimeter. These are the two values given. Find the volume of cylinder whose CSA is 660. Curved surface area is 660 centimeter square and height is 15 centimeter. We want to find out volume. Okay, because CSA of cylinder is 660 centimeter square. Because CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH is equal to 660. So R is equal to 660 upon 2 pi H. R is equal to 660 divided by 2 pi H, because we want to find out value of R. 660 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 multiply H. Height H is 15. That is 660 multiply 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 15. So 22 30. Then 15 to the 30 is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We want to find out volume. Because volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H is equal to 22 upon 7. R is 7 multiply H. H is 15 centimeter. 7 cancelled by 7. That is 22 multiply 105. 22 multiply 105. That is 2310. 2310 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. So in this question, what is given? CSA of cylinder is given. Curved surface area of cylinder is 660 is given, and second value height of cylinder is 15 centimeter. Because CSA of cylinder is 660, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So R is equal to 660 divided by 2 pi H. 660 upon 2 multiply 22 upon 7 into 15. डिनोमीटर में 7 है, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो 660 मल्टीप्लाई 7 अपॉन 2 इंटू 22 इंटू 15. 22 3 जा 66 30, 15 2 जा 30, 30 cancelled by 30. Radius is 7. Volume of cylinder is pi R square H. We put the values of radius and height of cylinder and solve. We get volume of cylinder is 2310 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Clear? Okay. Next is some students ask question number 10. Question number 10 is important question also. Earth taken out on digging a circular tank of diameter 7 meter and depth 20 meter is spread all around the tank uniformly to form an embankment of dimension 22 meter into 14 meter. Calculate the height of embankment. देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं अपन. अर्थ टेकन आउट ऑन डिगिंग ए सर्कुलर टैंक. एक सर्कुलर टैंक बनाना है अपने को, तो अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, अर्थ को डिग कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स अर्थ से अपन क्या करेंगे, डिग करेंगे. इट मीन्स मिट्टी बाहर निकालेंगे. तो वो जो शेप बनेगी वो कैसे बनेगी, सर्कुलर टैंक बनाना है अपने को. इट मीन्स सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक बन जाएगा वो. अपन अर्थ में जब डिग करेंगे तो वो जो शेप बनेगी वो क्या बनेगी, सर्कुलर शेप बना रहे हैं अपन, सर्कुलर टैंक बनाएंगे, इट मीन्स वो सिलेंडर बनेगा, सिलेंड्रिकल शेप होगी उसकी। तो डायमीटर 7 मीटर होगा और डेप्थ उसकी 20 मीटर होगी, इट मीन्स हाइट। स्प्रेड ऑल अराउंड द टैंक यूनिफॉर्मली टू फॉर्म एम्बैंकमेंट। वो जो अपना टैंक है उसके चारों तरफ भी अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं, जो अपन डिग कर रहे हैं उसको अपन चारों तरफ स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स उससे क्या होगा, एक एम्बैंकमेंट बन जाएगा। और वो जो एम्बैंकमेंट है वो उसकी डायमेंशन क्या है, 22 मीटर इंटू 14 मीटर है। कैलकुलेट द हाइट ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट, इट मीन्स देखिए सिलेंड्रिकल जो डिग बनेगा उसके अपन स्प्रेड करेंगे चारों तरफ, तो बाहर जो शेप बनेगी वो किसकी बनेगी, अमेंडमेंट जो बनेगा वो क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप का अमेंडमेंट बनेगा। उसके अंदर उसकी लेंथ भी होगी, ब्रीथ भी होगी और हाइट भी होगी। ओके, हियर डायमीटर ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक है तो सिलेंडर लिख दो आप। डायमीटर ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 7 मीटर। सो रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 7/2 मीटर। हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर h। डेप्थ मीन्स हाइट। सर्कुलर टैंक है तो सिलेंड्रिकल बोल सकते हैं अपन उसको, दैट इज 20 मीटर। ओके, कैलकुलेट द हाइट ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट। लेंथ एंड ब्रीथ। लेंथ ऑफ डायमेंशन ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट आर 22 मीटर। Length of embankment is 22 meter. Breadth of embankment. The dimension of embankment are 22 meter multiply 14 meter. It means 14 meter. Okay. Calculate the height of embankment. We want to find out height of embankment. It means जो सर्कुलर सिलेंड्रिकल शेप के अंदर अपन ने जो अर्थ में डिग किया है उसके बाहर चारों तरफ अपन ने स्प्रेड किया है, तो वो जो बाहर चारों तरफ एम्बैंकमेंट बन रहा है उसकी हाइट फाइंड करनी है। ओके, अब देखिए यहाँ पे जितने डिग अपन सिलेंड्रिकल शेप से निकाल रहे हैं, अर्थ से अपन जितना अर्थ डिग करेंगे उसका जो वॉल्यूम होगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा, बाहर जो अपन एम्बैंकमेंट के लिए बना रहे हैं जितना वॉल्यूम एम्बैंकमेंट का होगा उतना ही उस सर्कुलर टैंक का होगा। सो वी कैन राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट। एम्बैंकमेंट के अंदर जो अपन यूज़ में ले रहे हैं, अर्थ यूज़ में ले रहे हैं, उनसे मीन्स है यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट। वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच। वॉल्यूम ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट इट मीन्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड and volume of cuboid is LBH because embankment have length, breadth and height. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of embankment। देखिए इन दोनों का वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा, क्यों होगा, क्योंकि अपन एम्बैंकमेंट किससे बना रहे हैं, उसी अर्थ से बना रहे हैं जिससे कि सर्कुलर टैंक बनेगा। So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of embankment. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of embankment is LBH. That is pi 22/7 r 7/2 into 7/2 h 20 is equal to 22 multiply 14 multiply h. We want to find out value of h. Okay, 7 cancelled by 7, then 2, 11, 2, 10, that is 22 into 14 h is equal to 11 into 7 into 10. 11 into 7 into 10. We want to find out height of embankment. That is h is equal to 11 into 7 into 10 upon 22 into 14. 11 2s, 7 2s, and 2 5s is equal to 5 upon 2 is equal to 2.5 meter. So height of embankment is 2.5 meter. This is the height of embankment. So we use this method by solving this type of question. In this question, given diameter of cylinder 7 meter, radius 7 upon 2, height of cylinder is 20 meter. It means depth of circular tank. Depth, it means height of cylinder 20. Then length of embankment is 22 meter and breadth of embankment is 14 meter. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of embankment. That is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of embankment, it means volume of cuboid, because embankment have shape, cuboidal shape. So volume of embankment is lbh. Dimension of embankment, it means length and breadth are given, and we want to find out height of embankment. So we put the values and solve. We get height of embankment. Now next question, question number 13, ask some students. Question number 13 is, if both ends of a hollow cylinder are open, both ends of hollow cylinder are open, its height is 20 centimeter. Height of hollow cylinder, it means h. Height of hollow cylinder is 20 centimeter. Internal and external radius, internal radius, it means r1. Internal radius is 13 centimeter. External radius, external radius is 15 centimeter. In this question, height of hollow cylinder is given and internal and external radius are 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the volume of this hollow cylinder. Because volume of hollow cylinder is pi multiply, we want to find out volume r2 square minus r1 square into h. Here r2 is greater than r1. देखिए वॉल्यूम ऑफ होलो सिलेंडर को अपन इस फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हैं. पाई इंटू R1 स्क्वायर माइनस R2 स्क्वायर। तो इस कंडीशन में क्या होगा, R1 इज ग्रेटर देन R2 होगा। बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन इंटरनल रेडियस R1 से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, R1 इज 13 सेंटीमीटर, एक्सटर्नल रेडियस R2 इज 15 सेंटीमीटर। Because external radius is greater than internal, R2 is greater than R1, so we write R2 first, pi multiply R2 square minus R1 square into H. Okay, so volume of hollow cylinder is equal to pi multiply R2 square minus R1 square into H. Pi is 22 upon 7, R2 15 square minus 13 square multiply H is 20 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 22 अपॉन 7। इसको थोड़ा सा अपन इजी सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने के लिए a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी यूज में ले सकते हैं। सो 15 प्लस 13 इंटू 15 माइनस 13 इंटू 20, बिकॉज a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी। अदरवाइज यू कैन write here square of 15 225 minus 13 square is 169 also. So that is 22 upon 7 into 15 plus 13 is 28, 15 minus 13 is 2 multiply 20, that is 7 4s are 28, then 22 4s are 88 multiply 22 2s are 40 is equal to 3520 centimeter cube. This is the volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder. So in this question, height of hollow cylinder is given 20 centimeter, internal radius of hollow cylinder R1 13 centimeter, external radius 15 centimeter. Volume of hollow cylinder is pi into R2 square minus R1 square into H. भी जस्ट मैंने आपको क्लियर कर दिया कि आप इस फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हो, इसमें भी राइट कर सकते हो। आप ये फॉर्म राइट करोगे तो इसमें कंडीशन क्या होगी, R1 इज ग्रेटर देन R2 होगा। इस फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे R2 ग्रेटर है, यहाँ पे जो एक्सटर्नल रेडियस R2 है ये ग्रेटर है, इसलिए अपन ने इसको इस फॉर्म में राइट किया है, पाई इंटू R2 स्क्वायर माइनस R1 स्क्वायर इंटू H। ओके, 22 अपॉन 7, 15 स्क्वायर माइनस 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 20, a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी आइडेंटिटी अपन ने यहाँ पे यूज में लिया। 15 प्लस 13 इंटू 15 माइनस 13 इंटू 20, 15 प्लस 13 इज 28, 15 माइनस 3 इज 2, 7 4s are 28, so 22 4s are 88 multiply 22 into 40 and that is 0, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32 and 3 35, so 3520 centimeter cube. This is the volume of hollow cylinder, volume of hollow cylinder. So we use this method by solving this type of questions. Remain questions you solve at your home, and if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can message me, you can call me, otherwise you can WhatsApp me. Okay, so you complete this exercise 16.2. okay, thanks.